Hey there, welcome to Pluralsight. In this cybersecurity tools course, you'll learn how to collect sensitive information using the PowerSploit framework. If you never heard about this tool before, it is one of the most used tools for red team specialists. In a red team engagement, after getting access for a few machines, it is important to start collecting sensitive information so your client can understand the impact of a cyber attack. The PowerSploit framework contains several tools that will help us to automate sensitive data collection. And that's exactly what we will cover in this course. In here, you'll learn how to use PowerSploit to run keyloggers in your target machines. You also learn how to use PowerSploit to take timed screenshots, so then you can see exactly what your victim is doing. And even creepier, we will use PowerSploit to record the microphone of our victims without their knowing about it. And we'll also be covering how to search for sensitive files in shared folders using this amazing tool. So whether you're trying to collect sensitive information in a red team engagement, or just looking to audit the security of your own company, join me in learning how to collect sensitive information using the PowerSploit tool, here at Pluralsight.